Hello everyone, welcome to 5 best practices for shop listings. Best practice number 1 is to preload your items before you are live. This is just going to give you one thing less to worry about. So we highly recommend that you do this. Although you can add items while you're live, this is what we are recommending, especially if you're new and you know there's going to be a lot going on in your show. So first, let's get our live scheduled. We're going to tap on the plus sign on the lower right hand corner. Then we're going to tap live show and we'll select public. Next, you'll fill in all the details for your live. As I'm sure you've done before, you're going to add a fantastic cover photo. You're going to select the time, and then down here at the bottom, you're going to tap on schedule live. Next, you'll have the opportunity to share your live information on socials and other places, which is very important, by the way. So be sure that you're promoting your lives. And then you're going to tap done. Then we're going to click on your shop. So down here in the lower right hand corner, tap on shop. And on this next page is where we can add our listings. You can add buy now items, you can add auction items, and you can also add giveaway items. You can tap import to bring items in from your shop in marketplace located off your profile. Next, you'll select your items that you want to bring into your live show. You can select a few, you can select all, and now you can see here that they are ready in the buy now for your live. Next, we want to tap on manage down here in the lower left hand corner, and we're going to make sure that we enable all purchasable mode so that all of your listings can be purchased directly from your shop in your live, even if they aren't pinned. The next option that comes up here is you can enable it for all future lives, which is a good thing to do. Best practice number 2 is pinning items while you are live. This is a great feature to use when you are highlighting a certain item, say you're describing it. Pin it on the bottom so that people can easily buy it immediately. First, you're going to tap pin an item, or you can also tap shop, which brings you to your listings. And you see here a pin next to each item. Just tap that next to each item you want to pin, and now you see that it's here at the bottom of your screen, and you can unpin it as well if you need to. The next cool thing you can do while you're live if you need to is convert a buy now listing into an auction listing, or an auction listing into a buy now. So on the edit a listing page under listing type, you can see that this item is currently a buy now item. So we'll tap here and get the menu to select auction. Next, you just need to confirm that you like to change the listing type by tapping here on change listing type. Now you can see that the item is changed to an auction, and here we can set the starting price, shipping rate, all the things you need to do, the quantity, toggle if you want to hide the listing price before it's being auctioned off. You can also set your timer and toggle if you'd like to have snipe mode turned on or off. And then you're going to tap on post and you're all set. Best practice number 3 is importing listings using Seller Hub. Hopefully most of you, if not all of you, are already using Seller Hub. There are a lot of cool and convenient things you can do to help manage your business in there. We've got the URL here at the top if you need to take note of that. To import listings using Seller Hub, you can tap new listing or import, or selecting import for this example. Next, you'll see to choose a CSV file to upload. Tap next. Now we'll see the CSV file to upload, and then next. Now our items are in Seller Hub where we can manage them how we need to. Let's tap on this baseball hat item, and next we'll add an image and then enter in a title and description, which is another best practice, by the way. You should have an image and a description for every single item in your shop. You can manage the title and description there, and any variants that you might have. We also have a tutorial on variants that should be live shortly, if not already, so be sure to check that one out. And then you're going to tap create. Here we can see all of our listings loaded into Seller Hub. To manage a listing, you'll tap next to the item, and you can see down here at the bottom right, you can edit, mark it as sold, or delete it. Best practice number 4, potential buyers will want to see a photo of the items, as we mentioned before, and make sure that you have them available for sale. They are definitely a lot more likely to buy the item if there is a clear, well-lit, professional-looking photo for an item. So when you're creating a listing or editing one, tap the add listing preview. Definitely also add that really catchy title, specific description for the item, and do your best to really describe the material if it's relevant, the size, any other distinguishing features it might have to make it even more compelling. And then you're going to tap post. And now you can see here that our image is on our shop. We've created a great title and description. And last but not least, our 5th best practice is sending your listings from your live show back to your shop when your live is done. So once you're done with your live, you're going to tap end live show, and then you're going to get this prompt to confirm that's what you really want to do. So we're tapping end. This will prompt a live show summary, and this gives you a lot of great information about your live show, total sales, net earnings, and you can also import unsold listings back to your shop off your profile so people can buy them when they are checking you out on the app. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you learned a lot, and as always, if you need extra help, please follow and message Palmstreet support in the app, and we will see you next time.